action.
Welcome to Dining with Duncan. Today I'm going to try seaweed chips.
Seaweed strips.
Heads up, on Friday, if I give this a 5 and up, I'm going to put this on my pizza.
It shows you right here.
Wait, let me see it. What does it show you? Oh, they suggest you put the seaweed on pizza. Interesting.
And salad. I wouldn't recommend the pizza though.
You wouldn't recommend the pizza?
Yeah, I would not try
Okay.
that.
Does anybody eat these in our house?
My sister and you, Mommy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're the one holding the camera. And my
I
brother
know,
is
like
looking through the camera. Whoops, I didn't.
But I am getting something.
Take a big bite, big bite, big bite.
Not coming.
You gotta chew it.
Put a big piece in your mouth. No, like Duncan, take a bite. Daddy, a bite. A little bite.
I got a piece.
Water.
Hey.
My
Hey.
What do you rate it?
Did you try any?
What do you rate it? What do you rate it?
Did you get an actual piece in your mouth?
Got a bit.
No, he didn't. He licked it. He licked it.
Come on, you know how this works. You gotta do a real bite. Use your teeth to tear it off.
Bite.
Yes, tear. Tear it. Bite it and tear. There you go. Now chew it. Chew.
Chew. And then I'm going to do it. What is that taste? Does it taste sour?
I'm giving it a 2.
You nearly puked eating acorn squash. Is this worse or better than acorn squash?
Worse.
Really? All right. Well, send us off.
Bye. Hope you like and subscribe and hit the bell notifications. Bye.
Oh, wow.